Is it cold?
Feels good.
How's it feel, Char?
You okay?
She's okay. She's okay. Let her get her bearings.
Don't look under there, guys, okay?
Why?
It's like green.
It's called algae. Look at this.
No, the anchor's on.
There's no way the anchor's not calm. Yeah, you don't remember in Paul's boat? She wants, Abby, can you help her, please?